Now, we really don't need to make our web pages look particularly good for this, but you know, taking pride in our work, it should look at least kind of okay. And what we want to do is make it look kind of okay with minimum effort, which means we're going to do a bootstrap thing. And we're also going to organize our code a bit. So this is what we're looking at the moment. Let's go back to the page and let's sort things out. So what did I say? Bootstrap. Bootstrap. Get bootstrap. Bootstrap. And we want to go straight into get bootstrap, get started. And all we need to begin with, if we just go down to the template, we just need these couple of lines to make it do bootstrappy stuff. So if we just go from there into here, paste that, hit play, or I should have put class equals table, shouldn't I, just to make it look a little bit nicer. Let's just do that right now. So table class equals, dang it, class equals table, and so I just redo that, go again. And it should at least make it look, a little bit nicer. You know, it's not brilliant, but it'll do for now. And it's relatively easy to add features to the page in Bootstrap without it looking absolutely terrible. So that's all good, but I guess, you know, we need to add the JavaScript to the bottom, and then we're going to have to do it to this update.html page as well. And then we're going to have to do it to any other pages we add in as well. So it's getting to be a bit of a pain that we're having to change things in multiple places. So we're going to fix that with a single page, which is kind of the overall layout. And then we just kind of drop the bit that's important, that's different each time, which is from here to here into that. Easier to show than tell. I normally do this by adding a HTML page called underscore layout, underscore just because I want it to be at the top of the list always, because it's kind of a pretty important page. I'm going to grab that whole template from the Get Bootstrap page. So all the way from here to here. Ooh, that's the bell. So I'm going to drop that whole template into here. And the only bit I don't want is this hi hello world. H1 hello world, and in here I'm going to say drop in the thing that I'm going to say elsewhere, block body. That's the name of it. It's a block and it's the body block, and then we're just going to say straight away end block. Sweet. Now with that done, I can go to index.html and I can remove all of this lot, which I don't want. And while I'm here, I'll remove the stuff at the end as well. And I can now say that this uses that other one. So it extends layout.html, spelling that correctly, of course. Cool. And then I can say now that this that we are defining here is the block, which is the body. And at the bottom here, I can say, let's end that block. So magically, what should happen is that will be dropped into the main page. I think that should work. Let's try it. Almost inevitably, I'll have something wrong. Perhaps I've got a bracket wrong. Guess we'll find out in a moment. It's a ginger mistake. Template not found, layout.html. Did I not put the underscore in? Dang it. Yeah, extends underscore. I really thought I typed that. Let's try again. Can't do this without having at least one error. It'd be crazy. There we go. And if I go Control U to look at the source code of this page, Control U, thank you, we can see it. We've got everything we wanted. We've got all the Bootstrap layout stuff around the outside, and in the middle we've got the stuff that we defined in here. So we'll do that for every one of these. I'm not going to do it right now, but you would. So then we only have to change all the layout stuff in one place. You could put the navigation into here, and then you only change the navigation in one place. Sometimes this can get quite unwieldy, and you can actually break this up as well. You might have a nav block and a footer block and a header block, and then you've got them all nice and neat, and you can just go in and change that one thing in one place. All good.